In the last issue, I told you about Paul prism. In this issue, let's talk about the roof prism. Unlike Paul's prism, binoculars with roof prism structure, its eyepiece and objective lens are in the same straight line. This makes it compact and lightweight. This is the roof prism structure binoculars. You can take a look. Optical structure diagram of roof prism binoculars. This is the roof prism. The function of a prism is to turn the inverted image of the objective lens upside down again, become a true image. The advantage of roof prism is its relatively compact size, relatively lightweight, significantly improves portability, and the center spacing of the objective lens is small. The nearest observation distance, very suitable for bird watching. In addition, roof prisms are also easier to be nitrogen-filled and water-resistant. These are the advantages of roof prism, but roof prisms have some natural optical shortcomings. This side of the roof cannot achieve total reflection. Reflective film needs to be plated, for example, silver film and electrolyte film. In addition, there is a phase difference in the objective lens of the roof prism. Need to be coated with phase film. Roof prism also requires high prism accuracy, otherwise there will be two-way differences. High precision roof prism is required. If all the coatings are configured, telescope with ridge structure, its optical effect will also become very good. It's just that the cost will increase in this way. The price will also increase. So our friends who have a budget of about 200 or 300 yuan, it is recommended to buy binoculars with Paul prism. The budget is more than 400 RMB. Binoculars with ridge structures can be preferred. After all, smaller size and lighter weight, more convenient to use. With the development of optical technology, paired with high precision prism, FMC full surface coating dielectric film, more and more telescopes with phase films. For example, this Forester roof high equipped double pipe in my hand. The price is only more than 600 yuan and the price is very high. Current roof prism binoculars. It has become the mainstream structure of handheld double tubes, top binoculars. Most of them use a roof structure. For example, the SF series from Zeiss, Swarovski's Elmel series. All use a roof structure. To give everyone a better understanding of the roof structure, we also disassembled the binoculars of the roof structure. This is what it looks like after disassembly. Roof prism in this part of the telescope. This is the roof prism set we dismantled. We disassemble the roof prism set. You will find two prism lenses. We mentioned it before. The natural disadvantage of roof prism is, this side of the roof prism cannot achieve total reflection, so we need to coat the reflective film to make up for the loss of light. Common reflective films include silver-plated reflective films. However, the silver-plated reflective film is not stable enough. If the binoculars are not sealed and waterproof, may be oxidized, and the imaging will have a certain yellowishness. Even better, plated dielectric film on our reflective surface. Extremely high reflectivity. For example, this side of our prism group. This film can transfer visible light bands, divided into dozens of small wave bands. Each layer of film is responsible for reflecting light in a specific band. This makes the imaging brightness very high, and there is almost no color cast. However, the cost of the dielectric film is high. A better roof prism. This coating technology will be adopted. This is a dielectric film. Comparison with the imaging diagram of ordinary coating. Roof surface of roof prism. That is, there is a phase difference of 90 degrees between these two sides. Resolution decreases. To correct the phase difference, it must be coated with a phase film. To improve imaging resolution, phase film plated prism. There will be a golden reflection on the prism. You can take a look. This is our actual photo of the roof prism phase film. In fact, the most impact on the resolution of the roof prism. Not a phase difference, but two-way difference. The angle of the roof surface needs to be exactly 90 degrees. This way the point will overlap. However, due to the manufacturing accuracy, it won't be exactly 90 degrees. There will always be a little error. Errors reduce imaging resolution. In severe cases, the image is double shadow. The higher the accuracy, the higher the cost. This is the schematic diagram of the two-way difference of the roof surface. In addition, in order to improve the brightness of the imaging, can be on these two sides of the roof prism. Plated with an antipermeable film. About the antipermeable membrane, we will make a special video. You can follow the follow-up videos. So that's all for today's explanation of misunderstanding prisms. Any questions you have, you can also leave a message with us below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.